Hello, welcome to or back to my YouTube channel. My name's Bimi, if you didn't know, and I'm going to college.
1, 2, 3, let's go!
Right now, I am like packing up the last minute stuff. I've really been packing since like June. So like it's not like that stressful. I only have like my carry-on left to pack. And just like for things for like this week and like other things that wouldn't fit in my two big suitcases, which I can just show, I guess. I have these two big suitcases that are full of clothes and shoes. These aren't coming. It's just, I'm also in the middle of cleaning my room so it's not messy when I come home. And then I have this duffel bag. I'm gonna get to work getting my laundry out of the dryer and then folding it, last load of laundry, until I come home. Okay, hey guys, it's like an hour later at least, and I've made some progress. I finished folding all my laundry and I like finished packing that carry-on suitcase, and like now I'm kind of thinking about like what can go in my backpack, and then I'm going to put my laundry away, take these suitcases and stuff downstairs, take off my bed sheets and put my new ones that I already washed on. And yeah, I don't know, there's like clean my room, deep clean my room. That's one thing I need to do today. But in like 30 minutes we're leaving to go pick up the rental car, so I might take you along when we do that. But today's really busy. Lysol! Oh, Clorox. My mom just gave it to me. Now I have to find somewhere to put it. Hey guys, I'm just out of breath from moving all those boxes and bags that I have packed. But my room is looking a little better. I still have to like clean it, but we have all but one suitcase left to take downstairs. But I'm gonna go through it and see if there's anything I can take out, because I feel like it's a lot, right? So packing for college is hard, let me tell you. But yeah, I'm just gonna try and go through this again. So I'm editing right now, and I had to cut out like a whole like 2-minute clip of me explaining that I took a bunch of clothes out of my suitcase. Like, it took me 10 seconds to say that. So that's what I did, and now we're gonna load the cart in not too long too, because I don't know how much is actually gonna fit. We took a pizza break. Locking the car. I'm gonna set you up on this makeshift tripod so you can actually see what's going on. Yeah, open it up. Okay, well, I don't know how much of this is actually gonna fit. Okay, I am exhausted. But yeah, now our car is pretty much full. I just have like my carry-on that's right in front of me that I'm gonna pack, because I still have to put like toiletries and like things like that in the morning. And then I have my backpack, which is going next to me in the car. Now I just have to clean my room, but it looks so, it doesn't look empty. I think I just got used to having like my suitcases in here, but it does look pretty clean. I just have like my desk area that's really messy, and then like my bed. But once I do those, I think it'll be a drastic difference, and then I'll pack up my things. Okay, it's way later now, and I just finished laying my bed finally. I finished packing up that, laid my bed. I'm gonna sleep in it obviously, but, and then this is pretty much packed. I just have to put my devices that are charging inside. My room is pretty clean. I'm just gonna fix this, I think, tomorrow morning, since we're not leaving like first thing. We're really tired, and so I just have a couple things on here. We're gonna hang out for a bit. Oh, we're gonna hang out for a bit, and then I'll see you in la mañana. One final look at my room. I cleaned it and put stuff away. It looks super nice. There's laundry that my brother's gonna do for me when he comes back. Oh, it's so weird. My closet. Close that door. Okay, so this is our situation with the car. I'll show you the back. We were able to pack literally everything in here. I have all my boxes, all my family stuff. Yeah. Bye, car. Bye, Stan. My car's name is Stan. Bye, Stan. I'll miss you. Me looking in here to see if there's anything important I need to bring. Hello, welcome to my vlog, and I guess I'm gonna put this in my travel vlog because I don't want to make a separate one. But today I'm with my friend Sarah. This is why we came to Atlanta, by the way. But we are going to get her nose pierced, and then we're gonna pick up her siblings from school. Obviously I'm not gonna vlog them, but and then after that we're going to get our nails done. This is what my before is because it's disgusting. Focus. It's taking like a billion years, but yeah, you can see it. Disgusting, gross. But yeah, we're gonna leave now. I have to get gas because it's almost on empty. First time driving in Georgia. Let's wish me good luck, Charlie. So it is 4 o'clock and we're waiting outside the nail salon trying to, like, cause they said they had like a wait time. And we have gotten a lot done, but oh my gosh, I'm sweating. My leg, it's like not even like me, it's my legs. We're gonna go get our nails done. This is the before. Maybe I'll do a cool transition where it's like, you know, on TikTok where they do like the,
oh, sorry, I was wondering, if I were to come in within the next 15-20 minutes, how long would it take for me to get a nose piercing?
It took us like so long. Like literally we got in there at maybe like 4:15, but that was after waiting for almost 30 minutes.
And we're leaving at 6:15 now. And like I feel bad because the ladies were nice, but like they made us wait a long time.
Yeah, there were like other people there, but they like, I guess they can't do nails. So like they were the only 2 people in there that could actually do our nails, and so there were 2 people before us that were there, so yeah, we waited for a long time. But these are our nails now.
And we still have somewhere else to go, but we'll see. It's supposed to rain.
Yeah, it's supposed to rain. I don't know. It's not focusing.
You see, it likes my face too much.
Yeah, it likes our faces too much. So we are normalizing headscarves 2020.
Period.
But it's in my face. Let's fix that. But we are home. It's actually like past midnight. But yeah, we're not in focus. We never got the chance to finish the vlog, and I think I'm gonna end it here because maybe I won't end it here. I'm not really sure. We'll see. I might like do a little like b-roll of our trip to Nashville tomorrow morning, but then I'll start my actual move-in vlog tomorrow. We leave tomorrow. So sad. This was a shorter video.
It was.
It's okay though. Because my next video will probably be way longer because I don't know how hectic moving day will be.
And you have to document everything.
Yeah, I want to document everything. I don't know if I'll put everything on YouTube, but obviously I'll have my own videos. But yeah, I just wanted to end the video. See you.
She'll put my information in the description box so you can follow.
I'll put Sarah's Instagram and Twitter.
Yes, Twitter, Miss Melanin.
Yeah, I'll put her Instagram and Twitter on the screen maybe, and also in the description box so you can follow her. And then you can follow me on my social medias. Like, subscribe, and comment on this video. That's all I got to say. I'll see you next time.
Bye.